Welcome to South Korea, a country of rich culture, advanced technology, and a fast-paced lifestyle. We've got a list of must-have apps to make your transition smoother. For navigation, KakaoMap is essential for accurate routes. Subway Korea offers real-time train schedules and works offline. Kakao T is your all-in-one transport app for taxis and bike rentals. For language, try Papago for translations, HelloTalk for conversation practice, and Naver Dictionary for definitions. In banking, use Toss to manage expenses, Wise for international transfers, and KakaoBank for online banking. For food delivery, Coupang Eats and Baemin are popular, while Market Curly is great for groceries. For health, use MediBuddy to find doctors and Emergency Ready app for alerts and guidelines. For social life, Meetup connects you with hobby groups, KakaoTalk is a must for messaging, and VLive keeps you updated on K-pop. These apps are your survival kit for thriving in South Korea. They'll make your life easier and more enjoyable. Which app will you download first? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others settle in Korea.